In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bluetooth to any smart TV. So what you can do is you first need to head over to your TV and look for the Bluetooth option right here. So typically your TV, if it's a smart TV or Android TV, it typically have a Bluetooth TV or a Bluetooth option. However, if your TV is a LED TV, which is a kind of outdated model, then there's a high chance that they don't have the Bluetooth option. So what you can do is you can instead buy a cheap smart TV in order to access this Bluetooth. So there's actually no workaround about it, but if you do have an Android TV, you can just click on this Bluetooth option right here. In order to enable Bluetooth, I have in here this help article that can actually support us. So to enable it, you can just head over and then see in here the solution. If your TV is a LED TV that doesn't support Bluetooth, you can check your TV's manual or specification to see if it has capabilities. Now, your Bluetooth device may not be pairing, so what you can do is you can just put your device to list up into pairing mode. And then if your TV and Bluetooth device may be too far apart, just move them closer right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.